Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Monday.com dashboards for project tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to create your dashboard. Click on the Dashboards option on the left-hand sidebar. In the Dashboard section, click on the plus New Dashboard button. A pop-up will appear prompting you to name your new dashboard. Enter an appropriate name that reflects its purpose. After naming your dashboard, click Create Dashboard. You will now see a blank canvas ready for customization. To add widgets, click on the plus Add Widget button located in the center of the dashboard. Choose from a variety of widgets based on your tracking needs. For project tracking, you may want to select widgets like Table, Chart, or Battery. Once you select a widget, a configuration panel will appear on the right. Customize your widget by selecting the data source from your boards. Adjust any filters or settings as per your project requirements. After configuring, click Add Widget to place it on your dashboard. Repeat the widget addition process for other relevant data sources. You can rearrange widgets by dragging and dropping them into desired positions. To resize a widget, hover over its corners and adjust as needed. Consider adding a text widget to provide context for your dashboard. Select the plus Add widget and choose text to create a space for notes or explanations. To save your dashboard setup, click Save at the top right corner. As you work on your project, revisit and update the dashboard regularly. You can also share your dashboard with team members for collaboration. To do this, click on the Share button located at the top right. Select who you want to share it with and set their permissions. Finally, explore Monday.com's dashboard features periodically for new updates. Your dashboard is now set up for effective project tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.